But
Kay, there's a message that you need to receive, Kay.
yeah.
You're not messed up. You are not messed up. You are very focused on what's wrong with you, but from my perspective, and you've seen me do it today. You've seen me tell people, like, this has got to change, like, you're going to get into trouble with this one big time. I'm not saying that to you, which means you think you're a lot more messed up than you are. So what would your life look like if nothing was wrong with you?
Joy.
I want you guys to ask yourself this question too. I mean, so many people in this audience are in the same position.
Laughter.
Laughter would be left. Then that's your prescription pill for the day. How are you going to find laughter?
Everywhere, I mean.
Didn't have to look real hard for that.